Quality mobile welding. We got this crane here we about to work on. Somebody did a nice little job as always. I gotta come fix this. Look at that. That's the weld. It's supposed to hold this up, but not of that goes in there like that. That nothing happened. It ain't holding, so fix that. Clean that up, get it. Since the weld is on this half inch, but not on in the angle, we'll fix that in a minute. See, it lets me weld
got
it.
some room. Get
Nice
that stick welder in there. Top one? Yep. Go ahead. Yep. On it.
And that's how it's supposed to be welded. Triple pass, triple pass. And that's how it's supposed to be. Guys, please.
Matt, let me see your phone.
Got it. All right, folks. So I got these guys out here. What y'all think about the work, man? Come on.
Rock on, brother.
Y'all like it?
No, it's good.
All right, that's what I want to
Good
hear.
work.
Thank you all. Get you all back to work. Quality mobile welding. We got them done. Now they can go to work. A nice little boom truck.